Most people think that more leads means more money. More leads actually can mean more stress, less profit, and sometimes even bankruptcy. Picture this: you're drowning in calls, working nights just to keep up. On paper, it looks simple: double the leads, double the business. But your business isn't always math, it's a system, and systems can break. I'm Ryan, a business growth expert, and I help business owners double their net revenues without spending additional money on marketing. When you try to double your leads, I see one of two things happen. First scenario is that you succeed at generating more leads, but you break everything else. Your team gets overwhelmed, your processes crumble, and your quality drops. Second scenario is you try to do it yourself or hire the cheap marketing company. You spend time and money but get no results. You feel frustrated because nothing's working. Either way, you lose. Here's what breaks when you double leads overnight. Your team breaks first. Same people, now twice the work, half the quality. Your processes break next. Proposals get delayed. Customers slip through the cracks. Your quality breaks last. You get rushed service, poor communication. You're paying for more marketing, working harder than ever, and making less money. The solution? Don't touch your lead generation. Instead, make small 10% improvements to 7 different areas: lead quality, profit margins, team efficiency, customer retention, referral systems, process improvements, pricing strategies. 10% improvements across 7 different areas isn't 70% growth, it's like double that, all without breaking anything. Same leads, double the profit, half the stress. Just because you can work harder, that doesn't mean you should. Stop chasing more leads and start improving what you already have. Make small improvements, compound your way to real growth. Your business, your team, and your bank account will thank you.